Hi everyone, my name is Janelle, and today we're going to be going over the database Business Insights Global. You might be using it for your Business 100 class or if you're looking for company research. So let's go to start off on the library homepage, which is library.ufe.ca. You can find it under our databases under Business Insights Global or the research guide for Business 100. Now, under Business 100, we've got lots of information here, but if you go to the Key Documents tab and you scroll down, we've got a lot of information on company profiles, and that's where you'll find Business Insights Global. Now, we're going to have about 5 or so minutes in this video, but if you need to slow things down and you want to look at some screenshots, you can see there's a tab called Using Business Insights Global. If you click on that, we've got a little bit more information, sort of screenshots on how to go through step by step. So that's something you can use later. Let's try accessing here. So as of winter 2023, it's got a new sort of look. So if you've used it in the past, you might think, whoa, it's totally different. If you haven't used it, then it's new to you no matter what. So again, we've got a great resource here for company profiles. We've also got, industry information, certain publications, topics. So there's lots to look at in here, but we're going to just look for company information. And let's say my company is Starbucks. It's pretty intuitive. In the main search box, you can just start to look for your company and type in the name. Now, we always recommend that you know a couple quick facts so you know what one you're looking at. So I know this is my company because of the ticker symbol, and we're looking at company profiles here. When you click search, it brings you to this great information page with lots of, quick facts. It has a full SWOT analysis here. Anything that's blue or as you hover, it kind of seems to give you a click option. You can click for more information. So, these are in-depth articles. They should take you to a new page where you've got this whole article sort of on sort of the company itself. Then you've got sort of like quick details, like here are the brands that Starbucks owns, which is might be really neat for you to know. There's also financial information here. So you've got some quick numbers on the side and it tells you from 2022, or you can click full balance sheet. When you get the balance sheet, you can see it's just looking at 2022, some key metrics, and lots of other great information here. Now, what's really cool is that you can say, oh, I would like to compare maybe, let's say, the past 3 years. And so it sort of gives you a side by side comparison and shows you what that looks like, which is really neat. You can say instead of annuals, I want the quarterly outlook, whatever you're interested in, or you can compare with another company, right? And you can also download this data. So if I click download here, it'll give it in a CSV, which is like an Excel file, and you can view that sort of side by side. If that's something you want for your project, it's really cool. So you've got balance sheets, there's income statements laid out very similarly, cash flow and ratios, and if there's any investment reports or SEC filings as well. So this can be super helpful. If we go back to the main page here, it's just loading. We've got, again, that financial information. So it's blue and you can tell there's more information. If you want, there's this cool little graph option, which shows you over, a period of time. So this goes back to 2017. If you would like to, download this, you're more than welcome to. If you click the 3 little bars here and you can save it as either an image, a PDF, and use that in your report, or you can click compare and you can compare to other companies. And speaking of other companies, it gives you the list of competitors along here. And as you can see, they're all highlighted. So you could click on them. You can click compare companies and it will bring up that chart as well. It tells you what industry Starbucks is in. So we've got coffee and tea manufacturing. Again, everything is highlighted here. So if I wanted to, I could click on this. It will take me to the industry profile for coffee and tea manufacturing. And I can see globally, Starbucks is #1, right? And you can see all these reports on the side. So we're starting off in the company profile, but you can definitely go find much more information. After all of this, we still have articles and market share reports and case studies. So these are all supposed to be related to Starbucks, right? So, and it'll tell you, who the author is, what the date is. This is an abstract only, right? Lots of information here if you're wanting to take a look at it. So that's just a really brief overview. If you have further questions, don't forget to ask your friendly librarian.